everyone. It's so nice to see you. It's so nice to be seen. For those of you who may not know who I am, my name is Jeff Purdue Atkins. I am an accountability coach and systems specialist that's really out to help you live your true awesome life, no matter what that looks like. Okay, so today, one of the great things that I've been seeing a lot is that people are feeling super stuck. You know, no matter what group I'm in, who I'm talking to, it could be mothers, it could be everybody, they're all feeling stuck. And I'm here to tell you that in any given moment, there are a million different possibilities. Don't believe me? We're going to check that. So, where is it that you feel that you're stuck? It could be in your business, it could be your life, it could be, with your kids. You're a lot of parents are at home training their kids, helping them with school, and that's so unusual for you. It's the first time we've done this, and a lot of people, we have these stay-at-home orders, and it just feels very, very restrictive in general. So today's exercise, okay, let me find my nice little whiteboard. I want a whiteboard. I have never used a whiteboard. So let's play. Alrighty. So we're going to actually go and grab a piece of paper. Okay, and what I want you to do is I want you to go through and I want you to do the 3 list, right? 3 columns right down here. All right. So in this first column, yeah, as you see, my lines are beautiful, aren't they? In the first column, let's call that possibilities. Okay, next column, we're going to call that one why I can. And then we're going to go one more over and why I can't. And it's not that you can't, it's that you choose not to. Okay, and you're going to get to play this game. So what I want you to do over here, okay, is I want you to list out all the different possibilities that you can possibly think of that you could do in this moment. Okay, we're not talking about things far in the future. We're not talking about anything like that. We're talking in this moment. Okay, so in this moment, I can hold my breath. I can stand up and scream. I can run naked down the street. I could my dogs. I could beat my dogs. I could scream. I can listen to music. I can work on some art, pull some tarot cards. All right, so you get the idea, right? So that's what we're going to do in the first. And as you probably can guess, why can you? I can hold my breath because because I can, right? Because it would feel good, because I love them, because I love them. you know, so and keep going all the way through. And then you go over here and then you could say why you choose not to. So I choose not to because I am talking to you. Stand up and scream. No one wants to hear me do that. Run naked down the streets. No one wants to see that. Although I'm out in the cornfield, may not notice. So that's what you do for each one that you could possibly think of. The trick is not to say no. Okay, don't tell yourself, no, I can't do that. Well, yeah, you can. I could go be my kids. I could go pack up my kids and send them to my mother's. Whatever that looks like. Now, it can be as far-fetched as you possibly can think of. And the more far-fetched it is, the more fun you're going to have. So once you have like 15 or 20 of these, just go and look at all the different possibilities that you have in this exact moment. I can stand up right now. I can go grab a glass of water. We are never stuck. We are never, ever without possibility. And at this moment, you don't maybe not see what it looks like for you. And that's why what we've done is we've created coach talks. And really what we want to do is empower people to live in possibility. So if you haven't got your ticket yet, guys, we have this really amazing deal for the month of November. We're giving away $17 tickets between now and next week. It's next weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to be speaking at it along with some amazing people like Jack Canfield and Michael Faber and many, many, many others. So I really hope that you will come. I'm going to put the link down below and know that each and every one of you are loved. I'll see you soon.
Where's everybody going? For a picnic?
The working crew's leaving on a space detail.
This state of zero gravity